Jyoti ji.
Okay, thank you. So right now, I will not go into the presentation. Is it fine if we can engage for 5-10 minutes learning about each other?
Yes, I think that's great. We can ask everyone
Okay.
where are they in their
Okay.
journey, and we can take it.
Okay.
Yeah.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। सेठी साहब, आप तो अच्छे बात करते हैं, आपको क्या पता है? क्या आप अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं? आपका तो फ्लुएंट है स्पीच, क्या बताया था स्पीच थेरेपिस्ट ने? सेठी जी, आप म्यूटेड है।
अच्छा
अच्छा सेठी जी, हाँ
अब ठीक है।
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है।
मैं 2050 में मेरे को हेमरेज हुआ है। आफ्टर मेरे 2009 में रिटायर हुआ। 2009 में मैं रिटायर हुआ और फिर और मेरे को 2050 में स्ट्रोक हुआ और मैं उस समय एमएससी क्लासिक लेता था है। और मैंने बहुत एक्सरसाइज की और 4 महीने में थी मैं वॉक ने अब जाने लगा और उसमें मेरा राइट हैंड में पैरज हो गया था। पर वॉइस नहीं कही, वॉइस ठीक की और 4 महीने में एक्सरसाइज किया, 4 घंटे 5 घंटे ले ली और मैं 4 महीने में ठीक हो गया और मैं फिर ऑफिस जाने लगता। हेलो आवाज आ रही है?
आवाज आ रही है अंकल जी।
तो 4 महीने में ठीक हो गया। फिर 2020 में फिर स्ट्रोक हुआ और वॉइस भी चली गई और 2021 में फिर क्रैक हुआ और वॉइस आप चली गई और मोर भी वॉइस चलेगी पर बोरी थी की मैं ABC 4 महीने हुए। मैं बहुत प्रैक्टिस किया और मैं इंग्लिश और हिंदी कोई भी वर्ड को पढ़ लेता हूँ पढ़ लेता हूँ।
रीडिंग इज गुड।
4 महीने में मेरी वॉइस काफी ठीक हो गई और मेरा कहना है कि आप एक्सरसाइज करते रहो और योगा
8500 8,500 नहीं लगा सर माइका लगी थी चालू करो
और योगा करते तो मैं 1 घंटा और वॉक में
जीएसटी भी लगाएगा
1 घंटा और
सेठी जी,
हेलो
सेठी
हाँ।
जी,
हाँ
आपने किसी स्पीच थेरेपिस्ट से मिला या कुछ ट्रेनिंग लिया या अपने आप किया?
ना नहीं इंदौर में ऑनलाइन किया था और अभी भी कराची करता हूँ।
कैसा आपका जो अफेसिया है, स्पीच
हाँ।
थेरेपिस्ट ने क्या बोला? ये फ्लुएंट अफेसिया है, नॉन फ्लुएंट है, मोटर है, क्या बोला? इसको कुछ कैटेगराइज किया उन्होंने?
नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं, मल्टी टाइप हाँ मल्टी टाइप
तो कराया
हाँ
पर बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट है।
देख रहे हैं सेठी जी तो सभी के लिए रोल मॉडल है।
बहुत
4
हाँ।
घंटे आपने प्रैक्टिस किया, 4 महीने में रिकवर हुआ आपको। आप
बहुत मेहनती हैं, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, सारा दिन लगे रहते हैं और बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाएंगे। आप भी बिल्कुल मेहनत करेंगे तो आप बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाएंगे।
एक्सरसाइज बहुत जरूरी है।
एक्सरसाइज
योगा वॉक
I just wanted to interrupt. Am I audible?
yes sir, you are audible now.
yes
I think I will. Can you hear me?
yeah
यस
अब
यस
आवाज आ रही है आपकी?
आवाज आपकी आ रही है, उनको नहीं आ रही शायद।
थैंक यू सेठी जी, थैंक यू।
है।
आपने सभी को रास्ता भी दिखा दिया।
मैं 71 ईयर ओल्ड हूँ।
71 ईयर ओल्ड।
71
ठीक।
ग्रेट ग्रेट।
3 बारी कैद हुआ, 3 बारी।
3 बार अटैक हुआ। अभी नवंबर में हुआ था और 2 मंथ बाद फिर जनवरी में हुआ हैमरेज, 2 मंथ के बाद।
और ABC पढ़ना नहीं आता था, शुरू से का ABC सारा कुछ
किया,
हाँ
स्टार्ट किया, मेहनत किया, बहुत मेहनत किया। और योगा जरूर करिए, योगा जरूर करिए, अनुलोम विलोम और कपाल भाती।
अनुलोम विलोम और भ्रमरी प्राणायाम मैंने सुना है बहुत।
और
हेल्प होती है।
एक्सरसाइज जो में फिजियोथेरेपी कई की फिर मैं दिल्ली से हैदराबाद आ गया।
दिल्ली थे हम लोग पहले, फिर हम लोग हैदराबाद शिफ्ट हो गए क्योंकि वहां हम अकेले थे, यहाँ बेटी है हमारे पास।
और वाक और एक्सरसाइज और एक्सरसाइज बताइए।
एक्सरसाइज बताइए। मीना का नंबर दे दो।
नहीं पूछे भी।
थैंक यू सेठी जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू।
आप लोग कहाँ हैं? कौन सी जगह में आप लोग?
बैंगलोर
बैंगलोर। ओके
अच्छा।
ओके ओके ओके।
राजेश जी, आप अपने बारे में और आपका क्या डायग्नोसिस हुआ है आप हमारे साथ शेयर कीजिए।
यस मैम, बताइए जी।
आप हम क्या जानना चाहते हैं कि किस तरह का अफेसिया है, क्योंकि सभी का अलग एक अप्रोच है थेरेपिस्ट का, वो तो मैंने पढ़ा है, सुना है, देखा है। आपको किस तरह का अफेसिया है?
आई थिंक सो global,
ग्लोब, हाँ।
yeah. And
okay.
one time मैं 2 साल मैं सिर्फ आ ई उ ए बस और नहीं करता था, you know. But फिर उसमें एवरी डे अंकल भी बता रहा था कि सेम सारा दिन काम काम काम, काका की ए सी ABCD और मैथ जो भी करा, मैं करा सब कुछ देखा। और फिर छोटे वर्ड करा था, you know, उसमें एक एक करके बेटर हो गया, you know. एक दिन में नहीं हो सकता। It has to be very पेशेंट होना चाहिए अपने को।
वेरी पेशेंट।
यस। और yesterday मैंने बहुत अच्छे से एक वर्ड करा, कल खत्म हो गया, फिर दोबारा फिर भूल जाते हैं। So every day you have to practice and also we remember कि हम होना चाहिए, हम forget है ज़्यादा, forget कल हमने करा, बेकार हो गया, फिर दोबारा करेंगे तो एक करके फिर बेटर होगा, अदरवाइज वी कैन नॉट डू राइट नाउ।
यस यस। प्रफुल्ल जी नमस्ते।
हाँ
आप अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए।
जी मैम, मेरे बारे में मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे भाई को एक्चुअली स्ट्रोक आया है।
ओके ओके
तो
सर।
उसको करीब 1.5 महीना हो गया है, 25 अप्रैल को आया था। तो वो बैंक में प्रोबेशनरी ऑफिसर 7-8 साल से काम करता है नागपुर में, और जस्ट 2 मंथ्स हुए थे उसकी शादी को, और उसकी वाइफ और वो दोनों ही थे वहां पर। तो उसके इन लॉज जो है ना, 1 मिनट कुछ हुआ, हाँ, तो उसके इन लॉज है ना, उन्होंने ही सारा ट्रीटमेंट और सब देखा है। मैं तो भले ही 100 किलोमीटर दूर रहता हूँ, लेकिन मैं रहता हूँ मध्य प्रदेश में। तो अभी लॉकडाउन होने से क्या है कि बाउंड्रीज लगभग बंद थी, तो और मम्मी की तबीयत भी एग्जैक्ट उसी टाइम पर खराब थी जब उसका स्ट्रोक आया। तो यहाँ पर भी कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ा हुआ था, और उन्हें मतलब चक्कर वगैरह आ रहे थे, बहुत ही ज्यादा कंडीशन थी उनकी, बीपी ज्यादा था, शुगर बढ़ गई थी। तो मैं वहां गया नहीं तुरंत, तो हम अभी देख कर आए उसे। तो अभी वो चल लेता है, 1 महीना हो 1.5 महीना हो गया, तो चलता है, टॉयलेट तक चला जाता है, नीचे चला जाता है, मतलब फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे उसका रूम है। अभी फिलहाल वो इन लॉज के घर पे रह रहा है, उसके फ्लैट में कोई नहीं है फिलहाल। तो चलता फिरता अच्छा है। प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ ये है कि बोल नहीं पाता, तो अभी स्पीच थेरेपी शुरू की है। तो ऑब्जेक्ट्स का आइडेंटिफिकेशन कराया था मेरे सामने उस दिन उन्होंने, तो आइडेंटिफाई कर लेता है 80-90% चीजों को, और भाषा उसको पूरी समझ में आती है जो भी हम बोल रहे हैं ना। तो ही इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग एवरीथिंग लगभग, क्योंकि उसके इमोशंस थे, देखते ही उसने रो पड़ा जब पहली बार देखा तो। और वापस आते समय बहुत ज्यादा रोने लगा, जैसी गाड़ी आई कि हम जा रहे हैं, कार आ गई लेने को, तो बहुत रोया। फिर उसको कहा कि मैं कुछ भी वो तुझे सिखाऊंगा, समझाऊंगा, सारा काम छोड़ के तुझे, चाहे 6 महीने लगे, साल भर लगे, जितना भी टाइम लगे, वैसे 2-4 महीने में तेरी स्पीच आ जाएगी कहा। तो अभी स्पीच शुरुआत की है, इसलिए क्या है कि मैं सुन ही रहा था ज्यादा। अभी स्पीच में कैसा है कि वो आ ई उ ये सब बोल रहा है, लिखने का जैसे अपना नाम लिख लेता है कहते। बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि लेफ्ट साइड में जो स्ट्रोक हुआ था उसका, तो राइट साइड जो है थोड़ा पैरालाइज जैसा है, तो राइट हैंड जो है वो उठा नहीं पाता है, ठीक है ना, ज्यादा नहीं उठा पाता है, थोड़ा बहुत उठाता है। वो राइट ही था, लेकिन अब वो लेफ्टी जैसा हो गया है, लेफ्ट से खाना खा रहा है, लेफ्ट से सारे काम कर रहा है। तो राइट हैंड उसका बिल्कुल मतलब वीक हो गया है। हालांकि लेग वगैरह अच्छे हैं, उसकी फिजियोथेरेपी अलग हो रही है, मालिश अलग हो रही है, और बाकी भी सारी केयर हो रही है अच्छे से, और खाना वगैरह खा लेता है, खुद के हाथ से खाने लगा है। अगर गिरने वाली चीज है तो उसको खिला के देते हैं, वाइफ बहुत केयर कर रही है उसकी, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। लेकिन ऐसा है कि स्पीच वापस आए तभी वो जॉब पे जा पाएगा, कुछ कर पाएगा। वैसे जो स्टाफ वाले उन्होंने कहा है कि लाइट ही वर्क देंगे, लेकिन वो समझ पाए। और मैथमेटिकल फंक्शन जाता है, जैसे मैंने नेट पे सर्च किया था इसके बारे में, तो अब देखेंगे जब उसकी स्पीच आ जाए तो मैथ्स कितना आ रहा है, नहीं आ पा रहा है, फिर कंप्यूटर पे कितना काम कर पाता है, तो आगे की प्रोसेस है। तो क्योंकि अभी शुरुआत है, अभी सिर्फ 1-1.5 महीना हुआ है, और स्पीच पे उसने थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्ड करना तो शुरू किया है, बट कभी कभी वो, जैसे वो उस दिन जाने से पहले मना कर रहा था अंदर जाने से, मतलब उसको प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, शायद नहीं इच्छा थी, तो उसको जबरदस्ती थोड़ा किया, थोड़ा समझाया, फिर जब तैयार हुआ, बट अच्छा रिस्पॉन्ड किया ऊपर जाने के बाद। वहाँ रूम में जो मैडम है, तो वो स्पीच थेरेपी देती हैं, वो ऑडियोलॉजी और स्पीच थेरेपी की एक्सपर्ट है, कहते हैं गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट है कोई, डॉक्टर ईशिता, नागपुर में। बाकी मुझे एग्जैक्टली पूरा नाम वगैरह नहीं मालूम है, बट एक सेशन मैंने उनके साथ अटेंड किया तो इट वाज गुड। तो उम्मीद तो है कि कुछ महीनों में, 2 महीने, 4 महीने, 6 महीने, काफी कुछ स्पीच आ जाए, और बाकी भी अंडरस्टैंड। क्योंकि अगर स्पीच आ जाए तो मैथ्स बाकी सब वो जो है ना, एटलीस्ट उसको बेसिक सिखाना शुरू करो तो वो मैं कर लूंगा, क्योंकि मुझे एक्सपीरियंस इतना है, ट्यूशंस लेता रहा हूँ, तो बच्चों को जल्दी और जितना ज्यादा हो सके सिखाता रहा हूँ मैं। क्योंकि 2 महीने में कई बार बहुत सारा सिलेबस, पूरा सिलेबस भी हमने कई बार 10 और 20 दिन में किया लोगों का, तो वो नॉर्मल लोगों का है, इससे टाइम तो लगेगा, बट मैं वो सब तो मैं करा सकता हूँ, लेकिन थोड़ी स्पीच आ जाए तो उसके बाद उसे यहाँ लाएंगे। यहाँ मैं छिंदवाड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में रहता हूँ एक्चुअली, करीब 100 किलोमीटर से नागपुर से, और वो लोग नागपुर में हैं फिलहाल, तो जाते आते रहेंगे। अभी ओपन हो गया, लॉकडाउन नहीं है, और उसको क्या है, थोड़ी बहुत हेल्प जो है बीच बीच में करते रहेंगे। बाकी उन लोग तो केयर कर ही रहे हैं, वहाँ पर जो है सारा सिस्टम अच्छा है। तो बस इतना ही बताना है, बाकी तो क्या है कि वही प्रोग्रेस होती रहेगी, वही देखना है, और फिर बाकी क्या हो रहा है वो तो अब आगे समझेगा। ठीक है
सर,
सर।
क्या मैं एक बात बता सकती हूँ आपको?
जी बताइए ना, बताइए ना।
मैं अपने खुद के एक्सपीरियंस से बता रही हूँ। सो
जी
प्लीज स्टार्ट विथ स्मॉल नंबर्स एंड स्मॉल मैथमेटिकल फंक्शंस and he will
जी जी
progress very well. That is
जी
my opinion. You introduce concept of numbers. If he is already doing numbers, introduce concept of double numbers like 11,
जी
33,
ओके
65,
ओके ओके
and
ओके
then
मैं
small addition वैसे आप शुरू कीजिए सर. It will improve over a period
जी
of time.
जी जी, वो उसकी वाइफ को मैं बताता हूँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा वो नंबर्स और एडिशन करवाए उसे।
हाँ हाँ
क्योंकि क्या है, मैं इधर रहता हूँ, तो अब जब एक जगह पे रहेंगे, शायद वो यहाँ
हाँ
आए,
हाँ.
महीने भर में अगर इम्प्रूवमेंट तो फिर देखते हैं।
हम्म.
फिलहाल तो ऐसा है कि वो नागपुर में है, उन्होंने ज्वाइन नहीं किया अभी, देखता हूँ नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर हो सके तो।
हाँ
तो उससे क्या है कि हेल्प हो जाती है एक्सपीरियंस से
हाँ.
लोगों के, और कॉन्फिडेंस भी आता है, अगर वो सुने, उसे समझ में आए तो उसे कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा। समझता तो है, काफी लैंग्वेज समझ जाता हूँ। आते समय जैसे उसे कहा ना, जब मैंने बहुत रो रहा था, तो जब मैंने कहा कि मैं सारी हेल्प करूंगा, तो वो कह सुनते ही फिर वो चुप हो गया, उसने रोना बंद कर दिया, क्योंकि उसे पता है मैं पढ़ाता हूँ, तो उसे सब याद है, चेहरा देखते ही पहचान लिया। तो लॉस ज्यादा नहीं, क्योंकि क्या है कि वॉकहार्ड हॉस्पिटल, और उसका घर मुश्किल से 100-150 मीटर दूर था। जस्ट मतलब एक हाईवे है और मेट्रो लाइन जाती है, उसको क्रॉस करना था 2 बिल्डिंग, तो इतने पास में हॉस्पिटल था। और उसके पापा जो है, बहू के पापा जो आए, तो उनको मुश्किल से घंटा लगा होगा, आधा घंटा, तो 1 घंटे में उसको ट्रीटमेंट शुरू हो गया उसका। तो उससे क्या है कि ज्यादा लॉस नहीं हुआ है। लेकिन क्या था कि जो टीपीए जो इंजेक्शन देते हैं, कोई 50,000 का आता है जो, उससे काम नहीं हुआ, फिर सर्जरी करनी पड़ी। तो सर्जरी 5-6 घंटे चली, और पहले बिल तो देना पड़ता है, तो बिल देने में और मनी अरेंज करने में उनको टाइम लग गया। तो रात को मतलब 10 बजे से 3 बजे तक करीब सर्जरी चली है। और उसके बाद उसका कोविड डिटेक्ट हुआ उसके जस्ट बाद। तो ये कोविड के क्लॉट से उसका ये हुआ था, जो ये आया ना स्ट्रोक, वो कोविड के क्लॉट की वजह से आया है। तो कोविड शायद वो लगभग एंडिंग पीरियड में रहा होगा, क्योंकि एंडिंग में ही आ रहा है, डॉक्टर्स बता रहे हैं। तो कोविड जब एंड होता है तो क्लॉट होता है, जैसे रोहित सरदारानी जी का सुना होगा आपने, तो उनका भी उसी से, क्लॉटिंग से ही, वो सब होने से ही शायद हार्ट अटैक आया। बहुत सारी केसेस सुनी होंगी कि अटैक बहुत आ रहे हैं, और कुछ लोगों को स्ट्रोक भी आ रहे हैं। तो यही हुआ, तो फिर उसको क्या है कि वो जांग के साइड से कुछ वो करके उन्होंने ऑपरेट किया है, तो वहां का घाव अभी भी है। और अभी क्या है कि शुरुआत ही है, लेकिन वो चल फिर रहा है और जितना समझ पा रहा था चीजों को, उससे लगा कि काफी हद तक इम्प्रूवमेंट तो हो जाएगा, ज्यादा लॉस नहीं हुआ होगा जहां तक मैथमेटिकल फंक्शंस का भी, क्योंकि बैंक का काम है तो उसे तो मैथ्स और कंप्यूटर का तो नॉलेज जरूरी है। चलो स्पीच कम भी रहेगी तो वो काम कर लेगा थोड़ा बहुत बात करके, लेकिन काम आना चाहिए और समझना चाहिए उसे, मेन प्रॉब्लम ये है।
I want to say something here.
जी यस
ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है, टच वुड, एंड जिस तरीके से आप मेंशन कर रहे हैं
यस
वो
यस
पॉजिटिव लग रहा है। ही इज गोइंग टू रीगेन हिज
यस,
आई
मुझे भी लगता है 80-90% तो कवर कर ही लेगा।
going to regain the way he used to speak. I'm definitely sure about it. अगर अभी
यस
से उनका ये रिस्पांस और ये स्टेटस है जो आप
यस
मेंशन
यस
कर रहे हैं, आप
यस, 1 मंथ में अच्छा खासा चल लेता है, टीवी देखता है तो रिस्पॉन्ड करता है, हंसता है, फाइट की मूवी देखता है।
जितना भी अब तक हमने रिसर्च करा है, द मोर पर्सन लाइक डज क्वांटिफाइंग, जितना मैथ्स करेंगे उतनी स्पीच आती है, बिकॉज मैथ्स वाला एरिया, लॉजिक वाला एरिया इज
जी
वेरी
हाँ
क्लोज टू द स्पीच वाला एरिया। तो वहां पे जितना ट्रिगर जाएगा, जितना वो इनपुट जाएगा, वो उसको रिवाइव करने की कोशिश करता है स्पीच वाले एरिया को। इफ नॉट
चलिए मैं
रिवाइव, हेल्प्स इन
जी
मेकिंग न्यू कनेक्शंस टू, नॉट रिवाइव एक्चुअली, स्पीच के नए कनेक्शंस ही बनते हैं, वो वाला पार्ट तो रिवाइव नहीं होता, बट
हाँ
इट
हाँ,
हेल्प्स इन न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी, इट हेल्प्स
देखिए
इन
मैं कोशिश करता हूँ वहाँ 8 दिन रुक कर क्या होता है रिस्पॉन्स देखने की, 2-4 दिन रुक करके,
सब कुछ
और अगर फिर
हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे। इट टेक
इम्प्रूवमेंट दिखा तो फिर यहाँ आएंगे, अगर थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट और हो जाए तो फिर यहाँ और ज्यादा करेंगे।
यस,
अभी फिलहाल थोड़ा स्पीच पे ज्यादा देख रहे थे कि थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाए।
All the best, Praful ji. Our
जी थैंक
prayers
यू।
with your brother and your family. We
जी
wish he will recover soon
ओके थैंक यू
and get back to his job.
यस।
Akanksha, you have researched a lot and you can give us lot of information. So, was he diagnosed with, was Prashant ji diagnosed with Broca's aphasia?
Initially I got him diagnosed with 2 places. One told me that it is a case of Broca's aphasia. The other person told me that it is a case of global aphasia.
Oh,
Yeah. So, but from my understanding, since in global aphasia, a person is not able to comprehend properly, right? So, initially global tha, but it gradually, like gradually वो Broca's हुआ, and right now he is in the state of transcortical motor aphasia.
okay. You have taken therapy or you are taking care of the therapy right now?
Yes.
मैम अभी तो
Yes.
मेजर थेरेपी हम दोनों ने साथ, मतलब साथ ही करी है रिसर्च करके, लाइक राजेश सर मेंशन, हमें भी कोई अच्छा थेरेपिस्ट नहीं मिला स्पीच का अभी तक ना, जिससे एंगेजिंग थेरेपिस्ट नहीं मिल पाया था। एक मिली थी, बट शी डजंट हैव दैट मच टाइम, शी हैज अ रेगुलर जॉब, तो उनसे कंटिन्यूअस थेरेपी नहीं हो पा रही है।
We'll just speak to everyone. Then all of you please give us ideas as to how, we all are in different stages, but still, we can meet once in a regular interval and share few thoughts, or after this, I will just go through this script training. If we all can practice a script and like a small presentation, with your husband, Prashant ji, Sethi ji, my husband, small script. It can be my name is this and I am this many years old. Small script. We will all meet another day. So we will not talk more. We will let them talk. We will mute ourselves. They will be talking. So you all please give us ideas, okay? By the end of this session.
Definitely.
So like we can frame a nice session. See, what happens when we are all in different stages of recovery and different types of aphasia, framing a common type of session, some thought process goes into it. We have to think like what best the person can get, so they're happy and they want to attend it again, yes, I'm waiting for this session. We'll frame it in such a way that they will practice for it, they're happy to go about it and present themselves. So in that way, they will have somebody to talk to I recently found that the way my husband talks with me is different with the therapist. He can speak 6 sentences with me, but he speaks 1 word with her, and he finds it difficult to frame a sentence or find words. So I feel they have to talk with other people to improve their speech also. So please, we'll all frame such a session. All of you give ideas. We will move on with Anjali ji. Anjali ji, please unmute yourself. So can I, we all want to know, like, what is your journey? What was your experience? You're not audible. We are not able to hear you.
Hello. Hello.
Anjali ji, can you hear us? I think we will move on to Vijay ji, then we will come back to Anjali ji. Is that Hardeep ji, is it okay?
Yeah, that's fine. I think Anjali ji can unmute her. As of now, we cannot hear her.
Yeah.
Unmute kar le Anjali ji, and then we can come back. Yeah, sure.
Yes. So meanwhile, we will speak to Vijay ji.
Yes. Hello, hello Shruti.
आंटी जी.
हाँ जी.
हाँ, कैसे हैं आपके भाई साहब?
नहीं, ठीक है. मैं अभी वही मैथ्स के सवाल ज्यादा करा रही हूँ, क्योंकि एक्चुअली क्या होता है, बहुत सारी एप्स मैंने ढूंढी हैं, दैट आई विल शेयर विद द ग्रुप ऑल्सो. वो छोटे बच्चों के लिए है, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी हैं. मैं अभी शेयर कर दूंगी. और असल में क्या है कि जब मैं उनको आ ई या कोई 2 वर्ड मिला के बोलने को बोलती हूँ, तो वो थोड़े फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं एक्चुअली, क्योंकि अभी वो बोला नहीं जाता है. तो हम बार बार उनको कहते हैं आ ओ, ऐसे कंबाइन करके आ और ओ अलग अलग तो वो बोल लेते हैं, बट जब मैं कंबाइन करने के लिए कहती हूँ तो वो कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, और 2-3 बार बोलो तो फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं. तो अभी मैंने यही सोचा है, जैसा वो बोल रही थी मैडम, एक ही मैथ्स के सवाल से थोड़ा सा वो जमा प्लस और माइनस मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही कैन डू. अभी सिंगल डिजिट मैंने देखा है, और काउंटिंग में भी वो जो भी हम बोलते हैं वो लिख लेते हैं, जैसे 11, 15, 17 ये सब लिख देते हैं वो. बट अभी माइनस प्लस मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन ये मैंने भी ट्राई नहीं किया है, क्योंकि शुरू में छोटे छोटे ही किए हैं. तो लेट अस सी कि कितनी प्रोग्रेस होती है इससे, मैथ्स वाले से.
धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा. One step at a time, one baby step at a time. It will add to bigger step. हो जाएगा, धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा.
Okay, let us hope.
Yes, hope for the best. अंजलि जी, can we?
नहीं, अंजलि जी ने ना अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा उनको, उनका म्यूटेड है.
अंजलि जी, can you unmute?
उन्हीं को अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा. आई एम सेंडिंग हर ए मैसेज. उनको ही अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा. आई कैन नॉट अनम्यूट हर फ्रॉम हियर. मैं यहाँ से नहीं कर सकता.
Rajesh ji has just sent a message. He has sent a workbook for aphasia by
Cat
R. Kenny. I'm just writing it down. We will look into it. Meanwhile, can we start the session, sir? We don't have too much today. Sharing of some information.
Yes, sure. I think we can do that here quickly, and then we can have an interaction. Yeah, why not?
Yes, I'm sharing my screen right now. Yes, sharing the screen. Today we will look into a concept of script training for aphasia. I think some of us would have tried it. Maybe Akanksha would have also tried it. Rajesh ji should be able to tell us about it if he has tried. but this is really helpful. We'll look more into it. Small activities for memory and cognition. Yes, we would have all done this. One thing I have observed is speech improvement using pictures. This is very, very effective, and we do it every day. Reading and writing activities, we have already learnt about it, and some examples. These are just small examples. This was mainly an interactive session. And verbal expression. These are also examples. Activities of daily living. This comes in long-term goals of a person. How slowly they can become independent, go out. Yes, right now we may not be able to leave them outside by themselves. We may have to go with them. Slowly in the coming days, maybe 6 months or 1 year's time, go out, go to a grocery shop. Or these are just small examples. All of you please add to it. One small example of a beginner's worksheet for aphasia. I think Prafulji, you can look into these things. And there is one video reference for aphasia training. This is a particular YouTube channel. This person has around 5 decades of experience in training for persons to train for aphasia. He also has workshops. He also has courses. We begin now with script training for aphasia. See, what is the script? We have a specific sentences written. These are small sentences, but this is a treatment approach. This treatment approach mainly focuses on improving communication in everyday activities. So we can write different scripts for different activities. It is repeated practice of words, phrases, and sentences. It can be a small sentence or it can be multiple sentences. What we have done at home is we have maintained a book. We also have cardboard sheets, or we have cardboards which comes with packing material. We have written on that, for different instances, short 3-4 scripts where he will practice it again and repeat it again in different instances. This is evidence-based, and a lot of research has gone into this. It has been proven, it has been clinically proven that it is helping persons with aphasia to improve their ability to communicate. There is a sample script. See, my name is Sam Smith. I have aphasia. So it's loss of words, not intelligence. I'm 44 years old. So this is self-introduction. This is a script for self-introduction. We can write such a script, whichever the stage of recovery is. Once the person comes to the stage of repeating words, we can start with script training. We can start with 2 words, then 3 words, and small sentences. We can train them for script. We can train them with a script. We can present them with a card. Slowly, they will develop the habit of picking out that card or a book and reading it by themselves. The next stage is they should be able to express these sentences or these scripts in that particular instance. For example, we may train them in terms of requesting for food or for going to a bathroom. It can be a script for just 2 sentences. Where they have to apply is at that point of time, they need to go to a bathroom or use a washroom. At that point of time, they should be able to repeat it. In this particular aspect, the caregiver's role is very important, where we have to help them with a lot of patience and tell them where they have to use these particular sentences. If we are training them with multiple scripts for multiple instances or separate activities, if they are able to express these sentences when they want correctly, then I feel they're able to go to the next level and they are comfortable with themselves. This will give them more confidence to progress further, to put more effort. They're already able to say a small sentence and communicate at that particular point of time what they want, or start conversation with a stranger or a neighbor. This is a predictable sequence of sentences, and it can be a story or a monologue, or it can be even ordering food in a restaurant, or the person with aphasia can use it easily. This is predictable because we have written it according to the needs of our loved ones. In my family, what my husband requires, I will write it that way. Akanksha would have written it in another way. Rajesh ji would have in fact written it for himself. Seti can also write it for himself. They have already progressed well. It will help them to progress much more better, in fact, I feel. So this is predictable. There are 3 sentences or 4 sentences. They will be able to talk those 4 sentences only. So maybe one day they open up adding one more word or a sentence by themselves. This can happen, and I have seen it happen myself. How we can go about it? Identify the scripts that will be useful in the person's everyday life. Firstly, we can start with few small things like what they want, or it can be about self-introduction, as we have seen, or whether they want to practice therapy, what kind of therapy they want, whether they are tired. So these small things, if we start training them, if they start expressing at that particular point of time, my husband can't say I am tired, but he says tired. So he has started picking up the script. He can say tired. So that time he says, next word he uses is his mother tongue. So doctor has also told us it is mother tongue which comes first in case of severe aphasia. So he mixes words and speaks, but yes, he is able to express it. Improvements can be seen in sentence formation, rate of speech, and confidence. As I told you, all these 3 we will definitely observe if we practice with a predictable script. And then yes, as their speech progresses, they may not require a script, or they can write their own scripts, practice it. As Seti Saab said, I practice it for a very long time, 3 to 4 hours. He will be able to do it for himself, and he will be able to add sentences himself. So we can see the progress with the help of a script. You all try, and we can share it in the group, what script we have tried. Future we can share. Maybe we will get new ideas from each other, how we can progress with a script, or if we have already progressed with a script, please share it in the group. These are very simple things. These are mainly for beginners, but what I've seen is when they're bored with regular speech therapy, they will definitely like to do it again in the form of puzzles, or choosing an odd man out, or a memory game. Prafulji, you said your brother, you told about your brother. So please look in for some apps. Purchasing an app is left to you. There are a lot of apps which give 14-day free trial. Constant Therapy app, it will also rate. Cactus Therapy, and many apps. You can give him apps, he will start working with it. There are simple memory games. So right now, I think in this stage where you are, memory, working with the memory will definitely help him to recall what he was doing in his workplace.
Yes.
Looking into photo albums, recalling the events. So he may become emotional looking into the photo albums. But yes, whichever the speech therapists I have met, they have, even the recent speech therapist whom we are meeting once a week, she gives an activity with photos or pictures, one activity every week.
Yes.
When he becomes emotional, please motivate him. Please tell him this is temporary. You will be fine. We'll keep trying. We will support you our best. We will do all that we can. I'm sure he will come back.
Yes.
So these things, there are some basic things that I think this applies to your brother very much. And
yes,
even Vijay Rostagi, Auntie ji, आपके भाई को भी ये बहुत help करेगा. He has not tab. I've seen him using a tab. It will help him also. So recollect the previous day, what the breakfast they had. See if they cannot tell, if they can write, or some events. Or today evening we can ask what breakfast you had in the morning. My husband knows what he has, but sometimes repeating is difficult for him. We have to help him with repeating it. We play a memory game for memory, for recollection. We keep 4 or 5 objects on the table. We will allow him to see it for a few minutes, cover it with a napkin or a towel, and we will help him to repeat it. If he is not able to repeat the word, we will tell him, or something related to the object. It can be a mobile. He may not be able to repeat that it was a mobile. He can show it in a gesture, keeping it near his ears, or he can tell call. So it can be anything. It can be a water bottle or a medicine. So 4 or 5 objects, and tell him to recap. Basic stages, it is helpful, but for word production, again, it is definitely useful. as I told you, working with apps, memory recall activities are available. There are various activities as well as for those with cognition also, to work with cognition. Sir, in the long run, cognition is not affected. But when the stroke is fresh, maybe 1 month to 3 months, 4 months, this will help because they're down. They're emotionally down and they have to adjust with themselves, and they have a physical deficit. They are worried about their future. So slowly with the apps, they can work with the apps. Just see, I think they will enjoy working with the apps, at least for some period of time. Then they will surpass these apps. They will be able to work with things around them. As I told you, activities for cognition, we have worked these activities like, so first it is verbal, then is written, like a calendar task. What month is this calendar? Which month are we in right now? Or can you tell the sequence of months? We can, yes, and the speech therapist has recommended a calendar task. They say April 26th is which day? Can you tell me? So if it is a Wednesday, for example, so what other date is Wednesday? We can ask a lot of questions that way. So we have lot of resources on the web, which we can start working with a mobile phone or a laptop, computer, whatever is available with you. And we can work with this kind of puzzles. Yes, definitely it will start firing the neurons in the brain. Types of vegetables, they have already mentioned the vegetables which we have to search. We have done all these activities, searching the odd man out. First, they will search the odd man out. The next question we can ask is why? Why this does not belong to a group? It looks like it is all child's play, but yes, definitely to begin with, for word production, for formation of words, for memory recall, these are greatly useful. As madam said, mathematics, it looks like it is basic functions, but we have to start off with basic functions. Once we know where they are, we can progress from there. One thing we can all try is, at whatever level we are, improvement with pictures. One I have shown you is a communication board. If they're not at all able to express, we can give them communication boards. They can load it in their mobiles or in the tabs, or we can take a printout or put it on a sheet or a board or a slate or a book. At least they can point out. Initially, I have faced it with my husband. He was not able to express that he wanted water, but I didn't know there were communication boards then at that point of time. That was when we came out of hospital, immediately out of hospital. We faced a lot of problems, but yes, we could cross all those hurdles. We can help them with the communication boards, or these boards, we can also help them to pronounce the words. When they touch the word, they can pronounce the word. Or you have an object at home, make them feel it with their affected hand. This one thing I have missed in, I don't know if I have missed in my previous sessions. Please make them feel some objects in their affected hand. For an example, any fruit or a vegetable. So what happens is they will know the texture of the object. Once there is sensation in the hand, we can try for other activities in physiotherapy. This is what I have learned. Or a mobile. Mobile, the surface is smooth, whereas some vegetable, the surface is rough. So in that way, the affected hand also, they will start sending signals to the brain. If we start working with pictures, how we can do it? First, if they are able to name the pictures, it is the very first step is naming the picture. For example, apple. Then combine with another word. This is how, you know, the word count will increase. The therapist says, increase the count of words, increase the number of words they are trying to tell, like red apple or green apple, or they may say, I like apple or give me apple. Next, we can introduce words like I want, give me, I like. So there's a bottle of water. First, they may show in a gesture that they want water. Next, we can help them tell water. If they want hot water, if it is cold season, we can teach them hot water. Then I want hot water. So this is how we can improve their verbal expressions. Any picture in a newspaper or a magazine or a mobile or a TV, we can make use of pictures and help them speak. I think Sethi sir or Rajesh sir, they're already speaking well. If they can take a picture, write a paragraph about it, or write a few words about it, it will increase their vocabulary. It will increase their comprehension. He said, or, it, is, all these connecting words, pronouns, they're all missed out in speech. Slowly, when they can write and their family member going through what they have written and fill in the gaps, so it will definitely help in improving their writing and reading it out. Once they write, if they read it out, this will also help in their reading and speech. First step, when they say a see a picture, we can ask, what is this picture about? Just one word. We can start with a word. They can say beach. Next, we can ask, what all is there in a beach? They can point out at single items. They can say boat, sun, clouds, whatever word they are able to pronounce. If they're not able to pronounce, still we can help them. If they're not at all able to pronounce, we have to tell them and they have to repeat it. Slowly they will catch the word. If they're reaching, they have already reached the word level, we can help them with the sentence level slowly. This is a beach. To write, this is a beach, is definitely difficult in the very beginning. Then slowly they will pick up. My husband has recently written about a dream. He said driving a car. He couldn't write driving a car. He wrote our car, any car. But we know he means to say he is driving a car. We can understand what he means. Slowly we can improve on that aspect. It takes time. Yes, slowly we can improve on that aspect. Sentence formation about the picture, like this is a beach. I see a boat. Children are playing. So whatever the objects are there, small sentences. Even if the sentence is wrong, fine. Even if they can say one word, fine. Just start off with a picture. These are some of the reading and writing activities which we can do. You all can add to it. You will all be trying many things. You have all done many things. So it will be helpful. We can add it to this set of activities. Like for example, reading a newspaper, reading prescription, understanding a bill, reading signboards. When we go in a car or an auto, before this corona, when we used to drive out, I used to help my husband reading with the signboards, or the direction boards in a traffic signal, or the boards on a shop. Then I used to ask him, what do they sell in this shop? What is this shop about? Read the boards on a shop. This will definitely help, because they're passing through a vehicle, they're able to immediately grasp it and then again tell what was this shop about, or what was the board on the shop, and they give the address below the shop. Whatever, we can ask many questions about these things, or the directions, or when we travel, if they know the direction, we can ask them which direction we have to go. If they know the destination, which is frequently traveled, we can ask the directions. They can show left, right, or gestures. Then reading messages on social media, like WhatsApp messages or Facebook messages, checking mails. When they start doing all these things, slowly their understanding, their cognition, their comprehension, everything will improve, and they will be able to pick up these activities. One thing I greatly suggest is reading subtitles in television. Either it can be news or a movie. What happens in the beginning is they can watch movie or they can read the subtitles. They can't do both together. They find it really difficult and it is strenuous. But slowly they will pick up, over a period of 1.5 years, my husband could watch the movie and read the subtitles. Now he can at the same time tell what was the scene about. And reading labels on grocery items. So when we bring an item from the grocery, it can be an atta or it can be a biscuit or oil, So when we keep it in front of him, he tries to read what is the bill. He tries to say the amount on that. He directly cannot say 120 rupees. So he may say 120, and we will help him to say 120 rupees, or he can see the label. He will talk about the item and its description. We can say, what is this used for? So these are some of the reading activities and many more. These are just examples. There are many more which you can add to it. And writing activities. first, what they will start with, it is about themselves, writing their own name, name of the spouse, children, personal information, where they were working, their age. So we can start with personal information in very initial stages, then about their family members. So to increase the capacity of writing, copying from any resource, like Rajesh ji showed, like, he has written in great length, one whole page he has written, like copying words from any resource it can be. Copying will definitely help. After copying, it is better one of us in the family help them read it and repeat it. And we can tell them, to improve their cognition or comprehension, planning for the day or to-do list, or we are going to a doctor. We have to take some things to the doctor, like scan reports, or we may have to take, we may have to carry a water or a small snack. So whenever we go out, we ask what all any planning is required, or what do we have to carry with us now. So this will help them to open up. And, many times we have forgotten things, and my husband has given very important things, that we have needed to do. He has given ideas, or he has reminded us, जो हम भूल गए थे घर में, इन्होंने हमको समझाया, ये आप भूल गए, इसे करना चाहिए. It has happened many times. Sending messages, yes, it will help them. Filling an application form, maybe for a small thing, that's fine. They can start filling application, paying bills using Paytm or websites, and sending mails using if they are already working, if they were working with a laptop or a computer, introducing them to that platform will definitely help. They may feel helpless in the initial days, that they might have forgotten, they're not able to do, but yes, definitely they will pick up in the coming days. These are some exercises for verbal expression, like talking over phone. The speech therapist has told every day they have to talk to one person over phone. May be possible, may not be possible. How much ever possible, to a friend or a relative, or in the same family, one family member in another room, to initiate a conversation. You can see they will talk wonderfully over the phone. One important thing is expressing date, time, day, what date is today, what is the time. So this will help them in planning for their own schedule. It can be planning for physiotherapy or speech therapy, or they want rest. They can tell this time I want rest, or now I will do this. So this is all part of initial stages of recovery, but I feel even at 3.5 years, this is still relevant. This is still useful. Self-introduction, if they're able to introduce themselves, like I was asking for script training, if we can all plan one day, meet again, we can small script where these people will introduce themselves with a written script, it will be very good. Self-introduction, talking about family, how many members are there, what they're all doing, and talk about aphasia, how they are feeling themselves. First thing they will tell, yes, we are strong and we are positive. I think you will all agree, they will all tell we are strong, we are positive, we will recover well. And another important thing is to express feelings. If they are able to express feelings, it's good, Suddenly they will become dull. I have seen a lot of mood swings, sometimes they're not able to express. If we help them express or give them a chance to express, sometimes we are very busy, we are not able to give them that much attention. At that point of time also, they may feel like they're getting bored or they need some attention. So it's better they express well. Ask for help when required. Yes, this is very much required when a person is already able to go out. If they are ready to go out, they are prepared enough to go out, they are able to balance themselves, they are able to go out, they should be able to ask for help. My husband used to go to office for a few days. That was before Corona period. We had made small cards. He could not tell I need help. He could not tell full sentences at that point of time. We had made small cards. I need help. So he can show that card, when required. Then buying grocery. Yes, we have tried this, buying grocery, going to a shop, carrying a list, speaking out the list, buying grocery. It's a known shop. and they will definitely support. They're happy the person is recovering well, that he is able to go to the shop. You know, they're very much happy to support, you know. Whatever you want, we will help. Let him come independently, or you come with him. You don't talk, madam, let him talk. Let him take his time. You know, they will make other persons wait and they will attend to him. You know, I have seen that happen. People are supportive out there. Talk freely with family members what you're doing or what they are feeling, what is happening in home, what they're cooking. So that comfort zone should come. If they feel they can talk freely with family members, bina hichke, they should be able to talk freely with family members. At that point of time, they will be able to express whatever they are feeling. They may give more ideas. They may not be happy with the way some things are going, or they may say, my husband says, find out if there are other therapists outside, what is happening in US. I have a cousin, find out. So they will become more expressive. Start a conversation or order a food in a restaurant or talking to a neighbor, you know, initiating a conversation. They may just say hi. The other person will say, hi, how are you? Then they will say, yes, I am fine, how are you? So this is the way they can initiate a conversation. I think it is important to learn phone numbers and address, you know. We are always with them, but it is still better they know the phone numbers and address. These are sample aphasia worksheets. I'm sorry. Yeah, these are activities of daily living, you know. If they're able to pick up few of these skills or some of these skills or all of them, or if we can help them prepare to do all these things, you know, they're somewhere closer to the goal. They will feel comfortable and they will feel more confident, like using an ATM. I know we will be there with them. For those persons who can go out, do it, or for those persons who require help, we will go with them, help them with their balance, or help them to put the pin or put the amount. Next time they will be able to do it. And using internet wherever applicable. When they start using internet, first thing they will search is about stroke and recovery. You can all share, you know, your thoughts about this later, you know. So using a cab, giving directions, paying bills, talking to a neighbor, making payments, or various applications of a smartphone. And, you know, caregivers are also tired sometimes, you know, if they ask, how are you, change some plans or prepare some simple food, you know, it goes a long way. We are relieved of stress, you know, when they take care about us. We feel we are totally relieved of stress at that point of time. Trying to manage self or try to be independent. If they have a particular skill, you know, they were doing a particular job before. If they really want to get back to it, try to enhance that skill. Take various measures or try some steps to enhance that skill and try to see that you are able to get back to that role if possible, or if you want to do it. And one more thing, this is my personal opinion about medicines, is they should know what medicines they are taking and why they are prescribed. This will help if they are traveling outside or they have gone out independently, they have forgotten a medicine. This will help at that point of time, or they can save it in their mobile phones, because some medicines are not at all to be missed. They can save it in their mobile phones, whatever the medicines they are taking. These are sample worksheets. They look very simple, but they are relevant at different stages of recovery. Like this is used to brush a teeth. It can be a toothbrush. They know it is a toothbrush. They may not be able to say. We can help them say it. We can help them write it and read it as well. This numbers, yes, I've seen that in the initial stages of recovery, it will definitely help. We have done all these worksheets, and there are many complex worksheets and workbooks available for different stages of recovery. We can print them. We can use it whenever applicable. This is this particular first reference I have mentioned is a very nice YouTube channel. This is by one Mr. Mark. He is also a senior citizen, but he explains very patiently. He trains the speech therapist himself. So there are many videos for us to learn, where we can use to train. And these are some of the keywords I use to look into some aphasia exercises and worksheets or workbooks. There is a game of Scrabble. We need not have a game of Scrabble to play with it. We can sit with a sheet of paper and we can play it. With the person with aphasia, we can play a game of Scrabble, and you will see they will write a new word every day. If you play Scrabble, whenever you play, you can play once in 15 days or once in a month. There are a lot of activities we can't do every day, but whenever you play Scrabble, you will see that they will write a new word. There's another picture. Prafulji, she's matching cards. This is very relevant in the initial stages of recovery, where they will be matching the same type of cards. We have got, the one a 3-year-old or a 4-year-old does. We have done all this activity, matching cards. Then we can help them say the name of the card, whatever is the image on the card. This is a keyboard. Our speech therapist said, please print this type of a keyboard and keep it with you. If they are not able to say a word, show the alphabets on this keyboard. Let them pick up from the alphabets. The other day I have seen Akanksha, she was spelling out, very beautifully. She was helping Prashant ji to understand, she spelled out the word, so immediately he grasped it. I was not doing it, so I got that idea after looking at her. This is again a communication board. We can make use of it even now to help them improve in their verbal communication. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Shruti ji. That was comprehensive.
Thank you so much.
And I'm sure it will help a lot, all of us going forward. One thing I just wanted to check, I don't know whether it was checked earlier or not. Should we put these recordings on the website, on YouTube? What are the views of people? Prashant ji, Akanksha ji, is it okay if we
Sir,
put them?
I think that is going to help a lot of people who are not able to attend or are not aware of these kind of books. Like I was not aware initially. I think when people search, they search on various platforms. Initially, I used to look for videos for people who have recovered from aphasia or any tips that I can use for aphasia, how to work on this thing.
Yeah,
So yes,
no, my only concern there was, it all depends upon the participants. If there is, you're all comfortable with it, certainly I can put it on the web. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Seti Saab, I think. Is
Yes.
it okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
If he
Okay.
had told,
Okay, fine. Then I will we'll start working on this. We'll start putting these sessions on the website also. And I'm sure it will help many. It will help many going forward. Shruti ji, you wanted to say something?
So I want to know what like activities of daily living. We may not be able to pick up one today, but anybody has planned or you have tried like to get into one role of playing, like going to an ATM or going out to buy a grocery. We have tried buying grocery and the feeling was really wonderful, and I could see the smile on his face. Not just his face. I will tell you, the shopkeeper was the most happiest. In fact, he was more happy than us because he happens to be our neighbor, and it's really nice to have positive people around us. So I wanted to ask, the members here, what they have tried, and other activities as well.
Yes, for sure. It is certainly good to stretch yourself and be positive. That is of course required. That's the most let's say essential requirement forward. And that's what we can do. Also, Shruti, you were also talking about sessions next week. What are the thoughts? How do we take it forward? What is your thought? Should we give it a break for some time, or should we continue? Again, what do the participants feel?
So next week I may not be at home. Maybe another after that. Yes, I am definitely there at home. Yeah, week after that I'm definitely there at home. But meanwhile, I have an idea. So this is not final. All of you, please give your own ideas. If we can prepare on a small topic, whoever is possible. Can it be like an introduction? We have read about script training. I really want to know if anybody else has tried it. If Prashant ji can do it, whatever, anything is fine. Anything is fine,
Yes, ma'am. We are actually working on it. I make him write his introduction every day. So like my name is Prashant Sharma. I am 29 years old. I live in Vasundhara, Ghaziabad. My father's name, my mother, my wife, my baby's name. I'm married. I'm a lawyer. Where I studied in Bangalore and London. My office address is this. My phone number is this. My Aadhaar number is this. The little things I'm making him do. So he's doing it, and the purpose is when he's writing, he's reading as well.
Yes.
So gradually,
yes.
it will
yes.
set on his tongue as well.
Yes.
Yeah. So like he's able to say, my name is Prashant Sharma now. थोड़ी fluency धीरे धीरे आ ही जाती है. That we have noticed. Yes. So this is I'm not going on. Earlier I made this mistake. मैं हर रोज एक नई चीज करा रही थी. एक नई स्टोरी छोटी सी लेके Lion and the Mouse हो गया. किसी दिन कोई स्टोरी हो गई. I was doing it, but I realized that I think first I should work on a set script so that he understands those ismr, those little words. वो set हो जाए mind में. जो basic चीजें हैं. Different script didn't work for us. We tried it and it did not work for us. So we are giving it a go this way. We have made a set of like these are what 10 sentences. So कभी ऐसा होता है one go में नहीं कर पाते तो he writes 5 sentences in the morning, 5 he writes in the night because in between hand की physio भी कराती हूँ leg की. He gets tired and there are multiple activities that I'm making him do. Like these are the brain teasers. I've ordered quite a lot of books, set of books, such books, crossword puzzles like you mentioned, and memory games. I have a box of black cards and those flashcards that I like design activities. रोज कुछ नया repeat कराती हूँ तो वो जो छोटी activities हैं he gets bored or he loses interest. So I keep changing rotation. And also which Rajesh sir mentioned, this book language based exercises. This I got it. मैंने काफी research करके इसका print out निकलवा के it's a very thick book. पूरा print out निकाला and I've been working on this in between.
This is in Hindi.
So it has great set of exercises.
जो भटनागर जी की किताब है ना?
हाँ जी.
Because he's also on our group, although he is a Sonal and Bhatnagar ji are on our group.
Okay. सर ये बहुत अच्छी एक्सरसाइज है. वो बुक है प्रफुल सर. यू कैन आप अपने ब्रदर के लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छे से काम करेगी. इसकी स्टार्टिंग ही इस तरीके से है कि बेसिक से सब कुछ हो रहा है. Like it has a lot of pictures in this, so you have to circle. You have to find out what is the related word to that picture, or what is the related picture to the word. आप बोल के भी करा सकते कि खाना किस चीज से खाते हैं उसे सर्कल करो. तो fork और spoon के pictures होंगे in those 10 pictures and he can circle it. A lot of exercises in this book and it has helped us.
इसका लिंक
सर
हमारी
बुक का
website
नाम राजेश सर ने लिखा हुआ है लैंग्वेज बेस्ड एक्सरसाइजेज इन हिंदी
What I will do, I'll put a link of this on our website also,
PDF.
because Sunil had shared this with us long ago, and I put it on our website. उसका link है मेरे पास. I will put that up. Certainly, I can do that. We'll try to see जो राजेश की दूसरी किताब कही है. Let's see.
So this is the book. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
This is the book which Rajesh ji mentioned. Yes, some are advanced, but some are simple. So they can try what they can do at this point of time.
Exactly.
Then yes, they will definitely progress. When they progress, they can take those sheets.
Actually, the kind of exercises this book has, you have to see how comfortable your person is with those exercises. Like मैं in between मुझे कुछ exercises मिलती हैं जिसके लिए he was ready, but there were some exercises which were too difficult for him. He could not do it. Even we have not reached, अभी तक भी काफी set of exercises हैं जिसके लिए अभी हम ready नहीं हैं attempt करने के लिए. So as he is improving, I'm moving to those exercises.
Yes, yes.
In fact, I'm thinking if everyone is okay, next time also we can meet up. Shruti ji is not here. Akansha ji and anyone who's interested, if you just want to interact amongst ourselves, we can do that. If that is fine, Siddhi Saab and Praful ji, Ani, Rajesh ji, आप आना चाहते हैं, then we can set it up. अगले हफ्ते भी हम कर देते हैं. And Shruti ji, when she's back, then of course next week she'll be back, right?
Sir, if I'm there, I will attend. It's only one thing is after 1 year, I'm going to my mother's place, and there are 4 children. So you can only see children and games and all those things. I may not be audible. That's all. If I have access to laptop, if children allow us, again there also I'm there. So so I want to make one point. Okay. All of you agree. So what is that we want? So Praful ji is clear. So Praful ji, I think you got some idea today, like where to start off, how to progress. So each one of us, what we want from this session, so that if I have some time, I'll get some resource, or I have this book, I'll scan this and put it. So working on that sheet, or make it more interactive where. So my main intention in the coming days is they should be talking more, or they should open up, they should be expressive, like how Sethi sir is doing, how Arora ji is doing, progress, baby steps. Every day counts to the recovery. Every day adds to the recovery. So if not the whole session of 1 hour, if they can say a few things, it'll be fine, then the purpose of the meeting, I think it will be met then. So what do everybody feel? You please share your thoughts on this.
I think, ma'am, hame, like when you were mentioning, I was very engaged, but he somehow lost some interest. And I'm sure this happens with other people also. So I think we should make it engaging for them. Like we can कुछ entertaining की हर एक को गाने गाना है. Music heals, music speech में बहुत help करता है. So we can engage the aphasia patients this way, that every patient has to prepare a song or a bhajan or a aarti or a shloka, anything, and उससे इनका involvement होगा and they will feel engaged, they'll connect, I think. And we should prepare such set of exercises or puzzles or brain teasers, maybe. Who solves it quickly? Maybe half an hour session. I think वो बहुत ज़्यादा productive हो सकता है, because at the end of the day, the main purpose is to get their brain working, Maybe it can be a separate session for all the stroke survivors, whoever is interested, because ये तो ऐसी activities हैं जो common activities, and brain teasers and all those quizzes, who answers these quizzes first, demotivating ना हो किसी के लिए भी, that is very very important. तो बहुत basic चीजें, with a disclaimer, with a this thing that maybe you cannot do it today, maybe you are not able to answer it today, but you are going to answer it one day in the coming sessions or in the coming things. वो चीजें घर पे practice कर सकते हैं. Some people might take a lot of time, some people might solve it in 5 minutes, some might take 15 minutes. तो कुछ ऐसे quizzes, I don't know, these are just impromptu ideas that are coming. Maybe we can work on it and think over it and design it, our sessions in such a
No, but I
Good
think
ideas to start with.
but we can certainly the open house that we have every Saturday, for example,
okay.
We can maybe extend it to these concepts. We can have, as you were saying, someone can prepare something, maybe a poetry, maybe a para, maybe a news item that he or she is comfortable with, and we can also develop quizzes, etc. As you were saying. Certainly, we can and we have it for about 1 hour, but we can extend the time also. That is not an issue. We can start early, and whoever then can join in and take it further from there. I think that is good. As you were saying, we can probably have a separate session for the speech related deficits. Plus, we can also have a combined session. There everyone is welcome. So we have that flexibility. We can do. I don't know. We can do a session on Tuesday, for example. Tuesday is open. Timings also, as of now, are open. So we can develop that. Take it further. So, but Akansha ji, you develop this along with Shruti ji.
Yes, sir. I'm shifting to Dehradun in another 3 days, and then once I'm settled, it'll take few days to get settled down there. We'll work on it, Shruti.
Yeah, that will be
Yes.
great. I think I would strongly request both of you to develop that. I think there is a lot of merit to be had, in interactions. I firmly believe in that, and as much interactions we can have, that is good. Then we can take it in many different directions. Some of those that you mentioned, and I'm sure some more can be had. I know people who can play trumpet, for example, and he's a stroke survivor. Maybe I'll bring him one fine day, to play the trumpet. So, as I said, there are different directions. So fine.
I gotta leave his dinner time.
No, that's okay. So we are meeting next week, right?
Yes.
Next week. Whoever can join in is most welcome, and we will interact. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Should we be, sorry, just 1 minute.
Yes,
Should we
yes.
be like please give your thoughts about it. Like, should we be having a topic like, as Akansha said, a song or a bhajan or a shloka, anything, even if it's 2 lines. Do we encourage them to sing? So what do we do next week?
Whatever I suggest, whatever they are we are presently comfortable with. I am.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
I'll sing.
Whatever they are
Whenever
comfortable.
I write a news, whatever I'm comfortable with as of now, we'll take it with that. Is that okay?
Yes.
And we'll take it further from there.
Okay.
Really great. So let us close the meeting now.
Yes. Thank you
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.